How was that, Chris, to look at from the bench? 90 minutes, no goals, but a very hard-fought point in the end.
Yeah, I mean, as expected, it was always going to be a hard game. You know, we've had 5 weeks off with no matches, with all the postponements, and it's hard to replicate an actual match in training, so it was always going to be difficult for us today. And obviously the pitch isn't the easiest to play on, which, you know, I remember from my time here, so it was the same today. But I mean, I thought we were unlucky not to win the game, if I'm honest. In the first half, we've had a goal disallowed, and we've seen it back. He's absolutely miles onside, so that should have counted. And then second half, we've had probably the best of the chances towards the end of the game. So it's a point. We've defended really well, kept a clean sheet, and deserved to win the game in my mind. So we take that and move on.
We had to fill in some positions as well today, which made it difficult for 90 minutes. How did you work that one out?
Well, just our luck really. We had 21 players available last week. We had 22 in training. We were able to have a training match. Then you come to today and we only had the 15 available. So we were struggling a little bit defensively. So we moved stuff around to make sure we still had a structure to it. And I thought the lads defended unbelievably, to be honest. You know, they didn't really concede a chance the whole game. The amount of set plays and stuff we had to defend, we didn't concede a clear chance for the full 90. So got to be happy with that. That's a big positive.
And happy next week to be home. It's a change. Let's hope we can play it next week.
Get some momentum of actually playing games now. So, you know, we'll take this and move forward to St Asaph now next week.
Diolch, Chris.
Diolch.